Hi, I'm here with Dr. Levon. Dr. Levon, can you tell me how life form became into existence?
Yes, of course. The life form, we are the lowest form of energy existing within the universe. When the energy rises and slowly it goes downwards, like, take for example, our Earth. The Earth inner core, it's full of life energy. And you see what happens, constantly that upper surface of the inner core is melting. The melted section of the inner core, when it comes out into the Earth's surface, where is no liquid exists, the energy die within that lava, and but it stays the mineral in there. It helps the nature to grow healthier. But if that lava it comes out into underneath the water, and the water, how I was able to comprehend, it's a rising energy, and helps to preserve some of that energy, which one that left within that lava, and to revise itself back again into life form. But the weaker form, this is how we are, because energy usually it goes into the extreme. This is the best the weaker energy could have gone and formed the life form who we are today.
Well, what is exactly life form, and can you tell me where it came from?
Yes, I mean, I'm gonna answer the same question again. That's the life form is the low form of energy. A lot of people, they have misunderstanding truly who we are. Even some scientists, they send probes, into asteroids, to comprehend who we are. The life form, without thinking that we are the part of this earth. We are the part of, the life form is the low form of energy. You have to see the reason, why I'm saying that. The reason, because, again, you have to see how low it is, our energy within us. You got to compare. You have to see yourself shortly, say, as an energy form to comprehend what I'm talking about. For you see truly who we are.
You're speaking on energy. Do you mean, like, as far as being humans, do we need to eat?
Yes, of course. What the food, that's another thing. Take a look, the food is actually contain the minerals, what the minerals are. Minerals and all those things which one we take within us. What it does, because our body cells are so weak without of those minerals, they cannot produce energy to sustain our life form. And that's what exactly happens when we eat the food. Those body cells actually, they produce the energy to sustain the life form. And that's how the energy, when we eat the right food, and energy builds up within us. And sometimes, we act, a little weird or here and there, because we have too much accumulation of energy within us.
Interesting. Can you tell me what's the ratio of liquids in a human's body?
Yes, of course. You see, the liquid within us, it's over 70%. And that should tell you the reason why is that. Because, you see, because of that liquid, all the all the essential minerals reaches to our body from top to bottom. Just think about that. What our essential job it does, the blood circulation within our body. That which one it takes all the nutrients to the right place into your body.
Oh, can you tell me why a human would have any type of sexual desire or play any part in it?
Of course, the sexual desire comes that excess energy which one accumulate within us. We are like the generator. When you generate, you're trying to store that energy, and that energy you can't store it. And one way or another, you have to discharge that energy. And the sexual desire comes from a high accumulation of energy. That's why when people, they get too much energy within them, they get stressed up. It doesn't matter males or females. And this is actually, when they engaging into sexual activity, they benefit out of it, because both of them, they exchange energy within them too.
Why do we desire to have children?
The desire actually comes from the liquid form, the one that we call water. You see, the liquid which one penetrates within our body, it expands that energy within us. But the expansion of that liquid, the energy expands within us too. And by expansion, it puts desire within us, to have more children, because the children like our extension of our life form.
Oh, well, tell me this: why would we have a desire to want to sing and dance?
Well, the sing and dance again. You see, depend. The energy how functions within human body, and not every human body functions the same. You see, some of them the energy get consumed in different way. Like the singing. When they sing, it actually they put a lot of energy to it. That's why you feel when the singers sometimes they sing like they feel that part of their song because the energy they release out of their body they're like they're becoming one with their song. And dancing, it's actually the same as a movement because with the movement you release energy too.
Why do some humans behave badly?
Well, that's another way of the way how the energy function within some humans. You see the energy which one within those people doesn't have the ability to discharge the sexual means or the other means it is causing a little malfunction within human. And this is how they becoming like violent because that energy forced them to act the way they do.
Interesting. Can you explain to me how living creatures are able to adapt to changes within nature?
Yes, of course. Because of it, we are who we are today. Because constantly when we consume energy, and the energy we consume constantly energy. You see the environment we live. This energy trying to adapt existence of what it is. And that's how we become who we are because. You see, the gravity actually played big role our true existence of today. Because the gravity constantly forced that energy to hold on into more energy, and by holding more energy, they were able, to survive through all kinds of changes, climate changes throughout our existence.
Very interesting. Thank you. These are thoughts from Dr. Levon.